Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living just one block from the Ithaca Commons. Today we're going to see apartment PHX, a south-facing studio on the top floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, you'll see your galley-style kitchen on the left with a microwave, a dishwasher, an electric oven and stove, and a refrigerator. On into the living area, you'll see 5 pieces of furniture, a bookshelf, a full-size bed, a desk and desk chair, and a dresser. One great feature of Cityview is the high ceilings and the large windows that let in lots of natural light. This apartment faces south with a great view over Prospect Street and up South Hill. Every studio apartment has an air conditioner and a heating vent. There's also plenty of closet space. Another great feature of Cityview is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. This is a spacious bathroom with a vanity and medicine cabinet and a full shower tub combo. Rent for Cityview apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming to Cityview PHX. Call us today for availability.